Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Risha Ma'am Online Preschool. Today we are going to do terrace farming. After seeing this video, I want you all to go to the nursery, get a plant and have a new friend. Okay?
Okay, let's go to nursery.
Okay.
We are going to Vrindavan nursery. Let's go.
So hello guys, today we are here at the Vrindavan nursery. Here we have many varieties of plants. So let me show you one by one.
Let's go.
You like this plant? Shall we buy this one?
Yeah, so we are going to buy this.
Okay, very good. And what else we have? Let us see. Come. Star fruit.
I want star fruit, mommy.
Okay, shall we buy this one?
Yeah.
This is again coconut plants. See, can you see here the coconuts are plant. Come here. And what else we have?
I like chiku.
Yes, this is chiku. We have many varieties of mango plants here. You can see that.
These are
Here we have a person here. He is working here in this garden. So guys, look here. We also have fig. You know fig, right? This is anjeer plant. And look at the leaves of the anjeer plant here. And we also have pomegranate. Look at the pomegranate plant. And this is how water apple green looks like. These are called water apples. Vegetable creepers. They just have placed them like this. Bottle gourd, bitter gourd. Are which color rose is here?
pink. I like pink.
So we got these plants for ourselves and then we have to see here. Ashi baby, say hi.
Hello. Look at this.
So children, now this is a
Mango tree.
very good. We are going to have a big mango tree on our terrace.
This is grow bag.
Yes, so nowadays we are using these grow bags to grow plants on the terrace. This is a gardening tool. What is this?
Soil.
Soil. This is a mix of red soil, vermicompost and coco peat. We have to mix all these three types of soil for any plant to grow. Now what is the next step, children? What?
Water.
Very good.
Drink can. Coriander seed.
So which is your favorite color?
This is Fenugreek. Pink.
is a lemon tree.
Wow, we have snail in my home.
If you also do gardening at your home, you may also happen to see a snail.
Yeah.
So, what did we do today?
Terrace farming.
Very good. So, in my next video, let's see how these plants are growing up.
Yeah.
So, children, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe to my channel.
see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.
Bye.